Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Just like last video once again, I have been down the rabbit hole of LEGO mechanical engineering. One LEGO engine caught my eye. The engine that caught my eye was the LEGO Turbine vacuum engine. Some turbine engines are very small and speedy. In this video, I am going to make my own. Sit back, relax, and roll the building footage. Now please allow me to show you the details. In the back, we have the throttle control. It has high throttle, which is when the arm is highest, middle throttle when the arm is in the middle, and low throttle when the arm is at the bottom. Let's do a test with two types of wheels, big and small. Small wheel first. Now let's adjust the height to fit the big wheel. Let's give it a test, shall we? Now that is done, let's conclude the results of my LEGO Turbine vacuum engine. One positive of my vacuum turbine engine was that it was super fast. However, the LEGO vacuum turbine engine doesn't produce a lot of torque. This is a problem when trying to work out the RPM. However, the RPM is very high, which is a plus. Despite this, it is very small and compact for how fast it spins. Linking with this, it is very simple, which makes it easier to make from scratch. And that's the results of my LEGO vacuum turbine engine. Remember to like and subscribe to get notifications for the next video. Thanks for watching.